Hello students, welcome to this video series of subject microprocessor. So we are in the fourth unit, that is 8086 assembly language programming. So today's our topic is to perform assembly language program of 16-bit number addition and subtraction. That is, we have to perform the addition of two 16-bit numbers and subtraction of two 16-bit numbers. Course outcome of this unit is use instructions for different addressing modes. So the learning outcome of this video is to study about how to write a sample program for 16-bit addition and subtraction. We have seen the addition subtraction of two 8-bit numbers. So the same logic is applied here. POs mapped of this video is PO1, PO4, PO6 and PO7. So coming to the structure of assembly language program, we have studied this in the first video also. So first we have to write the data segment. Inside the data segment we have to write what are the different types of data we are using in our program, and next we have to write our code segment. Inside the code segment we have to write our program logic. So coming to the addition of two 16-bit numbers, that means two different 16-bit numbers are present and we have to perform the addition of that two 16-bit numbers. So the first is the logic. Now coming to the program, so we have to take we need two variables, number 1 and number 2. So number 1 will store the first number and num2 will store the second number. So the variable name num1, data type means how many bit number is there, 16 bit, therefore we have used the DW means define word, and 16 bit means 4 hexadecimal digits, so 0909H. Similarly, we have taken the second number as num2. Num2 is nothing but the variable name. Similarly, num1 is nothing but the variable name. Instead of num1, num2, you can take as X, Y, A, B, whatever you want. So the num2 is also 16 bit, therefore DW, and 4 hexadecimal digit means 16 bit binary number, and the result will be of, whenever we add two 8-bit number, the result will be of 8 bit. Whenever we add two 16-bit number, the result will be of 16 bit though. So the result variable will be of data type DW, that means 16 bit. What will be the result, we don't know, therefore we have kept the value as blank. So in the next part, in the code segment, first we have to move the first variable number into any register. So the num1 is our first number, so we will move the num1 into 16-bit register, that is AX, and next, in the next step, we will move the second number into any other register, that is BX. So move AX comma num1, that means num1 will be moved into AX. Similarly, move BX comma num2, that is num2 will be moved into BX. Now what we have to perform, addition. So we have to use add instruction. So add AX comma BX, that is the contents inside the BX will be added with the contents inside the AX. Add destination comma source, that is source will be added with the destination. So source here is BX, destination is AX, and the result will stored in destination. So add AX comma BX means whatever the number present in BX will be added with the number with AX, and the result will be in AX. Now the addition is performed. Next we will move the AX into the result variable. So the result will be moved into the result, our variable, that is result. HLT means halt, means stop the execution of program. We will stop the code segment and the ends start. Now the same case is applied for subtraction. Instead of add instruction, we will have to use the sub instruction. Remaining logic is same. In the data segment we have defined two variables, num1, num2. 16-bit number are there, therefore DW, TW. 16-bit means how many hexadecimal digit? 4 hexadecimal digits. So 4 hexadecimal digits in both number 1 and number 2. Result variable we have used to store the result. So in case of subtraction of two 8-bit number, result will be 8-bit. In case of subtraction of two 16-bit number, result will be of 16-bit. Next, inside the code segment, we have moved the number 1 into AX register because number 1 is of 16-bit, therefore we have to use 16-bit register, that is AX. Similarly, we have moved the second number into BX. So now both the numbers are in registers. Now we can perform the subtraction. So for subtraction we have to use the sub instruction SUB. So SUB destination comma source, that means SUB AX comma BX, that means the contents of BX will be subtracted from the contents of AX and the result will be stored in AX. So sub AX comma BX, and whatever the result is there inside the AX, we have moved into the result variable. So the important MSBT questions are to draw the flowchart to add two 8-bit numbers. Flowchart is also asked in the MSBT exam for 2 marks. Draw the flowchart to subtract two 16-bit numbers. Assembly language program to add two 16-bit numbers, and assembly language program to subtract two 16-bit numbers. Almost all the questions are asked in MSBT question paper. So we have learned today about how to perform the addition and subtraction of two 16-bit numbers. So thanks for watching the video. In the next video